Want to send money as friends and family on PayPal? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into your application PayPal, or you can head over to any of the web browser and then move into the official site of PayPal. In here, enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in into your page, you need to click on this three-dot icon at the top left corner of the screen. You will see different options. Head over to Send. Now in this section, Send Payment To, you have to enter the name, username, or the email address of the person that you want to send the money. You can select any of your friends and family from here. Once you have selected, it will land you on this page. Now simply choose the country currency and then enter the amount that you want to send. Once you've entered the amount, you can also enter the note. Once done, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. Wait for a while for it to load. Now if you haven't added any of the card to PayPal, then simply enter your debit or credit card in order for you to send the money. Once you have entered the card information, you will be able to see the link card at the bottom of the screen. Once the card has been linked, follow the on-screen process and then the money will be sent to your friends or family. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.